Welcome to our Opensea video tutorial series. In this video, we'll explain what a crypto wallet is and walk through how to use one on Opensea. So what exactly is a crypto wallet? A crypto wallet is an application or hardware device that allows individuals to store and transfer digital assets like cryptocurrencies and non-fungible tokens. You'll need one to create and trade items on Opensea. To get started, head to opensea.io and click the wallet icon in the top right corner. You'll now see a list of wallet providers to choose from. Metamask is the most popular option, but there are plenty of others that you can use. For this tutorial, we'll be using Metamask, so select Metamask and install the browser extension. If you have trouble setting up your wallet, there's always support available on the Metamask website. If this is your first time using Metamask, press Create a Wallet. If you've used Metamask to create a wallet before on a different browser or mobile device, click Import Wallet and follow the instructions. Set your password and carefully read through the safety instructions outlined on the Metamask website. Your 12-word seed phrase allows you to access your account if you ever lose your password. Keep it safe and never share it with anyone. Once you've created your account, reload the Opensea homepage and click Metamask again. This time, you can immediately connect your wallet. And that's it. Your wallet is connected and you're free to trade and create NFTs on Opensea. So visit opensea.io to get started today. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below or check out our Help Center.